time constant in RC circuits. If you remember, we have a RC circuit that contains a resistor and it contains a capacitor, and this is connected by a battery. So this is R, this is C, and this is battery. So this is a RC circuit. Now for RC circuit, Q is given by Q naught 1 minus e to the power minus t by RC. Similarly, current at any time is given by xi by R e to the power minus t by RC. If you see in both expression, we have one thing common, and that is e to the power minus t by RC. And this term, that is RC, the product of resistance and capacitance, is called time constant. So RC is called now time constant will have a unit of time. So let us say e to the power minus t by RC. So the anything in power must have a dimensionless. So this is dimensionless. This means t by RC has no dimension. And this is possible only if RC has a dimension of time, because in that case dimension will cancel. So we can say RC has a dimension of time. And in SI unit, RC, that is the time constant, is measured in second. Now time constant can further be defined in this way. So you have I, that is I by R. What is the maximum current? That is, what is the current when we have time is equals to 0? That is to the power 0, that is I by R. So this is the current when we have t is equals to 0. Let us find current when we have time is equals to RC. So now we will have I is equals to xi by R e to the power minus RC, and this divided by RC, that is xi by R e to the power minus 1. So this is simply 1 by E xi by R. So you see, when we have time is equals to 0, current is xi by R. When we have time is equals to RC, current is xi by R, and this is multiplied by 1 by E. So now we can define time constant is the time in which the current reduces by a factor of E. So I can say time constant is the time RC is the time when current decreases by YE. And that is basically, I mean, when I say YE, that is initial current is xi by R, then after time constant RC, this becomes xi by R divided by E. So this current reduces by a factor of E.